Welcome to Theme Park HD, where today we share with you some uncovered hidden treasures on site at the Universal Kids Resort in Frisco, Texas, while we were capturing drone content over the project. Let's go! Stay tuned this week for a full construction update regarding the project. Now let's check out the hidden treasure we found in the storage lot. First up is the Jurassic World Jumping Tower, manufactured by Zammerla, which will be a common ride outfitter in this park, like many around the world and the US, which you'll see in the likes of Universal to SeaWorld and more. Need a view of Trolls Land, outside of our drone of course, then consider a view from the balloon gondola, a Zamperler with a P LOL, Samba Tower 8 product. Staying in Trolls Land, we jump on the Sierra Force 190, which takes us from 0 to 90 miles per hour in 2 seconds flat with a vertical incline of 240 feet! Oh wait, that's just the local naysayers gaslighting those details. In reality, this ride will only reach a max height around 2 stories, with a top speed around 25 miles per hour. As we float east down the river, we take a whirl in SpongeBob's Water Mania, another Zamperla ride, allowing for 12 ride carts holding a max of 24 adults, which of course you can fit more children than that, per ride session. Staying with SpongeBob and friends, patrons can dry off on the Zamperla Aero Top Jet 12, a ride that allows for varying heights during the session with a max height of 24 feet. Heading to the dead north of the park, we'll find the Puss in Boots Flying Swings or Carousel attraction, manufactured by Zamperla. Ride features are unknown until the product model is firmed up. And as we wrap up our uncovered hidden treasure, make one last stop in SpongeBob Land as we take a look at the confirmed Rock and Tug ride. Of course, a family-friendly ride. Get your minds out of the gutter. A back and forth vertical lifted ride that can accommodate up to 16 adults or 24 children. Make sure to stay on the lookout for the full Universal Kids construction update that you won't want to miss. Thanks again, and let's go!